Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cook with me video that I hope you enjoy. Tonight I'm making Singapore noodles with shrimp. This is based on the recipe from the Complete Cooking for Two cookbook by America's Test Kitchen. It is a fairly quick meal and definitely easy enough for a weeknight meal. You and your family are going to be surprised at how quickly this comes together. To start, I have 4 ounces of angel hair pasta cooking on the stove. I also have 2 shallots sliced thinly, a red bell pepper sliced, and about a quarter cup of cilantro. I've just removed the tails from the shrimp that were frozen and unthawed. I'm going to pat them dry. I'm going to get ready to mix all of the ingredients together for the sauce. That's what you see me doing here. I'll be sure to leave all of the ingredients in the description box so that you'll have everything you need to make the dish. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. You know how much I enjoy the time we spend together. If you are a return visitor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you will know every time I post a new video. Okay, I'm heating 2 teaspoons of avocado oil in a pan and adding the shrimp to cook them. Here I am flipping them over. My suggestion would be to let them brown a little bit, but be very careful not to over cook them. I'd say 1 to 2 minutes, 3 minutes at the most. Once they've cooked and gotten that little bit of brown, as you can see on that shrimp right there, on them, you can then remove them from a pan to a bowl until they're needed for the rest of the meal. Using the same hot pan, I'm adding another few teaspoons of oil. I'm also going to add the shallots and the red bell peppers at this time. I'm going to cook these until they are softened. So I'm going to now add the angel hair pasta to the pan, and I'm breaking it up with my clean hands so that I don't add any unnecessary liquid to the dish. That's just what I'm doing here, trying to make it easier to mix together later on. I'm also adding the shrimp back to the pan, and I'm going to start the mixing process so that everything can be well incorporated but not break anything up. So here's the sauce. I'm going to stir the sauce in the pan and ensure it is incorporated throughout all the noodles and the vegetables. This is important because you want to make sure that everything tastes fabulous when all is said and done. So mix well. Try not to break up the noodles, but mix everything very well. So it was a little dry to me, so I added a little bit of chicken broth and again continue to mix everything together. I want the dish to be moist but not dripping in sauce, nor do I want it greasy, so therefore I didn't add any extra oil. Doesn't it look great? Let me plate it up. and stay tuned for my taste test.
Okay, everybody, the Singapore noodles are finished. I'm getting ready to try them. I do think they're a little spicy because I did put some extra sriracha in it, but let's see how we do. So, okay, still nice and smoking. Let's see. This is bomb. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. That's all I can say. Now that I have told you how good this is, I'm going to cut this part of the video short so that I can enjoy my dinner. I'm going to put all the ingredients down in the description box, and I challenge you to try this. You're going to love it. Bye, guys.